Welcome guys to the Crochet Beads channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to make a Christmas tree from any kind of granny square. Uh, Last year in December I posted this granny square. You can find it on my blog, and today I want to show you how to make a Christmas tree using this granny square. You may use also flowery granny square or traditional one, so absolutely any kind. In this video tutorial I will also show you how to make a star on the top of this granny square, and you will need also brown yarn for the trunk. The video tutorial for this granny square you will find on my YouTube channel or blog. Please check link down. Now, so what we are going to do, just fold the square this way, so until you like how it looks, and the bottom angle, so turn and look. If you like it, then it's okay. I think the buckle is twisted. Another corner, we need another corner, this one. Again, fold and bottom angle this way. So now they are similar. Now take the yarn needle or tapestry needle, and we are going to start from these two corners. Let's join. Okay, and let's stitch. So here I will pick up the, let's say, front and front loops, but it doesn't matter, but just for the neat finish, front loop here and front loop here. And pull through. Go on seaming until whether this point or till the very end, so you decide. You will check how you like, or like this, or till the top of the tree. So front loop here and front loop here. Okay, the first part is ready. Then cut the yarn, then this corner. So looks great. Yes, and here I'm going just to make a couple of stitches here. Okay, if you want, you can stitch also the one side and another side. I'm not going to do it. Okay, and that's it. The Christmas tree is ready. Now let's crochet the trunk. For the trunk you will need a brown color or black or beige. Here is the corner where we did a buckle. Just split those stitches in half and make a slip stitch and join into this corner. Great. Chain 3. Now make 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Like here I did. Now chain 3 and join with slip stitch to the same space. Cut the yarn and weave in ends. Cut. Okay, the tree is ready. Now optionally you can add a Christmas star on top. Take the white color, the lighter, the smaller the size will be. I'm using DK yarn and 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. Start with magic ring and make 12 single crochet into the magic ring. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pull the tail, close the center and join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Now chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the third chain from hook, make a slip stitch. After that, chain 2. So skip next stitch and make a slip stitch into the next one. The first point is ready. Now let's repeat. Chain 5 into the third chain from hook, make slip stitch, then chain 2, skip next stitch and then make slip stitch into the next stitch after. So this is the second point. In total we will have 6 points. Let's repeat. Chain 5 into the third chain from hook, make slip stitch, then chain 2, skip and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. So I hope it's clear. Go on and make in total 6 points. So I've done chain 2. Now cut the yarn, pull the tail through the last loop. Here you can make at the end chain 3 if you want. because now we are going to join, and we are going to join into the first chain out of those 5 at the beginning, and I'm going to join into the back bar. So insert the needle through the center of the first point into this bar, and now into the last chain. Do not pull tight here, okay? And the star is ready. Look at this one. Now on the wrong side, weave in all ends. Pull. You can leave this tail if you need to sew the star to the Christmas tree, or you may use a hot gun glue. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial today with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to like this video. I wish you all a good day, and check for more Christmas tutorials on my YouTube channel.